China is ahead by 6 to 12 months, and we will see easing and stimulus returning to the table globally in 23 and 24. So it sounds to me like you feel that the growth fears are going to start outweighing the inflation fears, and central banks are going to once again be like China is right now and on the back foot next year.
No, absolutely. What you're going to see is a very considerable slowdown in growth rates. The question is whether we're going to have recession. Globally, recession usually classified as growth rates of about 2–2.5%. Right now, if you look at World Bank or IMF, they're still projecting growth rates of about 3.5% globally. So it's about 100 basis points. I think we're going to be below what World Bank expects. And so if we're skirting recessionary levels, then there is no question that you're going to see monetary policy becoming much more proactive. By the end of this year, I think communication policy of all central banks are going to change. And I think as we go into 23, you're going to see rate cuts and the end of QT. In respect of BOJ, your first question, it so happens that policy rates in Japan are already higher than neutral rates. So there is no capability at all to tighten. And remember, most of the inflationary pressures cannot really be addressed by monetary policies. They're not arising out of excess demand. They're arising out of disruption of the goods market, services market, labor market, but not so much that the demand is pulling you. So there is limited things monetary policy can actually do.